Ever scroll through Revit's project browser thinking, what does that view actually look like? Meet View Preview from BIM Ops Studio. A simple, powerful window that shows you the selected view instantly, right from the project browser. In this quick demo, I'm clicking through a handful of views so you can see it work in real time. It's fast, it's lightweight, and it does exactly what you need. Show you the view before you place it. No more guessing. No more opening 10 tabs to find the right one. And no more placing the wrong detail on a sheet. What it supports: 3D views, sheets, details, floor plans, sections, and legends. What it doesn't yet: schedules and some family type views. If you live in the browser, this is a game changer.